friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Stitch Fix video. Today we're opening up my Stitch Fix July 2021 box. So I asked for beach related stuff. And for those of you who've been following me, you know that all I do is talk about the beach right now. So let's see what they sent. It's very small, so that's a little curious, but that's okay. Because if I don't like any of it and I have to send it back, at least it'll fit in the mailbox. Alrighty. Bags you can send it back. Verbiage that I'm not going to look at yet. Advertisement to shop by category. And now my little itty bitty bundle. Look how cute it is. It's just so tiny. Alright, the first thing I see is, oh, a pair of leisurely shorts. These are things that you can wear at home and be comfortable. Why do they look so big? It's from Market and Spruce, and it's a size small. It's very soft. The next thing is this crop top, but it's like a sports bra, but I think you can wear it as a crop top. It's also very soft. Next thing, it's a top. And this one is by PAPERMOON. It's called the Basima back detail knit top, size small. I'm not sure about this. I don't even know where the straps are. Oh, this is gonna be interesting to try on. Wait, that's the back. It feels like cat's cradle. Like I don't know where to put my fingers. It's bright. All right, the next thing. I had a great aunt who had a tablecloth that resembles this dress. I am not, what is going on with the, oh, yeah, I'll try it on. I do not like this print at all. It looks like my great aunt's tablecloth. Rest in peace, lady. All right, the last thing, this is actually looking kind of promising, is this cute, this is cute, top by Luck, L-U-Q. The Rachell tie detail halter top, okay. It's actually, I like this. I think this is cute. And it's pretty. It's a pretty color. It's like a, what do you call this color? I think it's like a magenta? No, it's something, but it's very pretty. It is really nice and it's nice and airy. It feels like it would feel good in the heat. So I'm gonna read the note that they sent me. It says, "Hi Dee Dee, I saw your note, so I let the beach inspire me for this box. Glad she read my note. The color and floral print of the PAPERMOON blouse make it cheerful and fun for hot days on the beach. Pair with white cutoff shorts, that I would, and blue sandals." I don't own blue sandals. I'll probably try it on with like white sandals or something. "For your date night, I picked the KAILEIGH dress with the flirty deep V neckline. Pair this with a denim jacket and a pair of wedges. The Market and Spruce lounge shorts are super comfortable and they'll be easy to match with anything because of the neutral color. I hope you have fun trying out these new combinations and that they brighten your day-to-day wardrobe. Let me know your thoughts on your feedback. Yours in style, Jenna." All right, so I'm gonna try everything on and I'll be right back. Before we start, I have no idea how much any of this costs, but what I do is I try to think about what I would pay for this. Then my assistant will reveal to me what the actual price is, and you'll get an honest reaction from me. So let's get started. All right, guys, this is the first outfit. This is the Beyond Yoga crop top. I'm sure there's more words added to it, but it's just too much for me to memorize. I really like this color. I think this is a really good color for my skin tone and my purple hair. And it's very soft. It fits really nice, you know, when you're like, you know, jogging on the beach. It's good. I'll definitely wear it for yoga. I don't know if I'd wear it like for anything else. Maybe I could wear it with, you know, a kimono or something and some cute jean shorts. So I think that this top is about $38. The real price of this item is $66, which is a little bit more than what I would pay for this. So we'll see. The next thing I'm trying on are these lounge shorts by Market and Spruce. They're comfortable. I mean, this is not something I would wear out, and that's why I'm wearing my slippers, because this is something I would wear at home to lounge around in. Put them on, put on a comfy t-shirt at the end of the day. You've been working hard and you want to get comfy. This is good for that. And I don't think they're anything special. They are soft, they're comfortable. I would say they're around the $30 mark. And the real price is $36. So I was close. I am not sure if I'm gonna keep them. No, I'm not gonna keep them. I don't think that they spark joy. So I'm gonna go and try on the next outfit. All right, guys, this is the next item. This is the PAPERMOON knit top. What I like about this is that it is very soft, and I think the blue is really pretty. What I don't like about it is the print. I am not crazy about the way this looks. It's not making me happy. It has like interesting straps. Also, just kind of like weird, like where they're placed. But I'm not gonna keep this, only because it's just not me, but it's fine. I mean, it's fine. I would not pay more than $15. So the real price is, it's $30. That's a decent price for this. It's just not me, so that's why I probably said it's only worth 15. But I mean, it's cute, but it's just, next. Next item, this is the Luke halter top, and I love it. I think the color is just so pretty, and I like the way it fits, and the back is fun. And yes, I'm still wearing that bra top from before, crop top. It's nice and airy. I think it's rayon. So with a nice little steamer, you can just get those wrinkles out. I think it's cute. How much would I pay for it? I would say it's around the $40 mark, and the real price is $38. 2 thumbs up. I'm keeping this. I love it. I might exchange it for a medium. If it's not available, then I'll just keep the small. Next item. Last but not least is this KAILEIGH knit dress. I know it looks flattering on me, and I must agree, it is a cute dress. However, the print is just not speaking to me. It's like what they're trying to do with Target, but not succeeding at it. Like I inherited this dress from my great aunt or something, and it happened to fit me. But I do like the fit. If I could find the same dress in like all black, because that would be the perfect dress to wear everywhere, or with a different pattern that looked a little bit more, you know, current, and not this kind of current, but like cool current, then I would have definitely gotten it. Unfortunately, the print is nah. If it was like a maybe all silk or something and it was made like really well, I would spend more money, but based on the way it's made, I would say about $54. And the real price is, it's $50. I'm getting really good at this. It's kind of scaring me. So I'll be back with final thoughts. The total price of all 5 items is $220. The buy all 5 discount is 25% off, which is $55. I do have a credit of $49 because I paid for the yearly subscription. Instead of paying $20 for every box, I just pay a one-time fee of $49, and then the boxes get shipped out to me for free after that. But that $49 does go to something, and that might influence my purchase. If I kept all 5, the total price would have been $116, which is not bad if I loved everything. However, I didn't. So from least to most loved, this was that top, the PAPERMOON Basima back detailed knit top, and it's not me. The next was that dress that you saw me try on, and like I said, it just, the fit is amazing. Like it fit me really nice, and if you're into this print, it's definitely worth it, and it's really cute otherwise, but yeah, I can't do that print. These shorts, I just feel like it's so basic that you could find something like this anywhere. It wasn't like a horrible price. I mean, $36 is okay, but I don't think these are worth $36. So we're gonna go to the things that I kept. This is the Beyond Yoga Harlow Space Dye Crop Performance Top. I wasn't gonna get this because it was $66, which is a little bit more than what I would pay for a sports bra. However, I have that $49 credit, so I'm gonna use that towards this. So $66 minus 49 is 17? Perhaps. And then this top is so pretty. I really like the way it looks, and the color is just gorgeous. This is the Rachell tie detail halter top, and this one was $38. So 38 plus 17 is 120. $55, and that I think is pretty good. I might exchange this for a medium if they have one. If not, I'll keep the small because it's not horrible. I just like things to be a little looser on me, a little more flowy. And so if they have the medium, great. If not, this is fine. I think this will look great. I would have kept everything, of course, if it was all my style, because these aren't horrible. These are actually good items. It's just that I wasn't really into that dress and that blue top. The shorts were just kind of matte, but if I had gotten all the items, it would have been over $100 off. So unfortunately, some of those didn't spark joy. All right, guys, so what was your favorite item? Please let me know in the comments below. And let me know what you're doing for the rest of the summer. Also a reminder, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, so help a girl out. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video, hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up, and I will see you the next time. Bye!